All right, are you ready to jumpstart your fitness and lose weight quickly in the new year?
Now, we all know diet and exercise are certainly important, but our fitness expert, Joe Carabasi, is now using something called red light therapy to help people lose fat faster.
Okay.
So I wanted to learn more about it. Joe invited me to see this all in action with one of his patients at DFine Wellness in Glastonbury. Take a look. Samantha Church is using red light therapy in hopes of speeding up her weight loss and reducing inflammation in her body. You start hearing about something that's going to give you immediate results, spot treatment.
Yeah.
And what are you thinking?
Well, normally I'd be thinking, right, because I've tried everything. I mean, and I have tried. If I added up all the money that I've spent on, supplements and all that, yeah. And I also was certified as a personal trainer at one point. So I understand the gimmicks, except that I also have a history with Joe. So if it was somebody other than Joe, I wouldn't have the trust factor that I do with Joe.
All these years we've had you on the show, it's all about diet and exercise, no quick fixes. So some are going to say, what's this? Sounds like a quick fix.
Yeah, well, it's not a quick fix and it's not a replacement, it's a shortcut. And that's why I was so excited once I actually dove into this technology, because at first glance it sounds too good to be true. But upon further research, and there's over 50,000 clinical trials with this sort of technology that we use, originally developed by NASA.
Samantha had gained nearly 50 pounds during the pandemic. She signed up for Joe's program that combines healthy eating and exercise with red light therapy at DFine Wellness in Glastonbury. She wanted to lose weight by her 65th birthday, only a month away from that first visit. Halloween to Black Friday, you lost almost 18 inches?
Yeah.
What does that translate to in your clothes?
I could not zip up my jeans. I was zipping up stuff and holding it in, and I had this whole roll over the top. And it was getting to be winter, and I had 2 jackets that I couldn't zip them closed. Now I can put on a sweater, a sweatshirt, and zip it up. So
You're saying you can tuck something into the jeans?
Yeah, tuck something in and have something over and put on the jacket and zip it right up.
The red light therapy is soothing and warm. Many people just fall asleep in the 30-minute session. How do you feel in there?
Well, it's nice and warm because you're laying on a warm bed. If you've ever tanned, it's kind of like that sensation.
Joe says the rapid results keep people like Samantha motivated.
The biggest problem after getting started for people is that if they don't see results fast, they stop. And if they stop, then they're back to where they were or worse. So if we can get them to see results fast, they're gonna do more of the things that are gonna help them long term. If they do more of the things that's gonna help them long term, they're gonna feel better, look better. Because they feel better and look better, they're gonna make it a lifestyle. They make it a lifestyle, they're good to go.
Joe says clinical studies show that when a fat cell is exposed to red light, it will release 99% of its contents, leaving the cell deflated, much like when a balloon releases air, allowing the fat to escape. All while you just relax.
I leave the room just so they have the full relaxing experience with the ocean sounds, the Himalayan salt lamp, the aromatherapy.
But it's not just the red light therapy that creates the weight loss. Samantha also followed a personalized eating and exercise plan.
The whole thing can be done at home with very minimal equipment, or you could take it to, I've taken it to the gym as well and watched the video and done it at my gym.
It's like having Joe in your pocket.
Yeah. How much better does that get?
The way we create our meal plans, most people think that you need to starve yourself to lose weight. That's actually the wrong approach. Your body actually goes in starvation mode. So most of our people, we have to tone the calories back from our meal plan because we have you eating more than you're used to. But the right types of calories, the right timing of the calories, we rotate carbs, we rotate intermittent fasting, we rotate shakes. You don't need to buy any fancy meals or shakes. We just simple stuff that you can find on the shelves anywhere. But we show you how to eat and build a structure for your life so that beyond this 4 weeks, you can mimic it. And most of our people are able to keep the weight off because they're learning how to eat as they're losing weight.
Now Samantha is down 20 pounds so far in just over a month and is ready to keep going. Joe says many of his clients are just as happy. Here's a look at some of the before and after results from the red light therapy.
It gave me such a good feeling about it that I bought into further treatments. And so I'm continuing on with it.
You're going to keep investing in yourself.
I'm going to keep investing in myself.
The benefits go beyond fitting into her jeans.
First of all, I have so much more energy. And, you know, I used to be the kind of person I'd get home, oh, I want to take a nap in the afternoon. I never was a napper, but then as I got older, you know, the napping thing was like, you know, I don't get that tired. I don't even think I've taken a nap the whole time I've done the program.
At the end of each 30-minute session, Samantha stands on a vibration plate to stimulate natural fat and toxin release.
You stand here for 10 minutes, but you will feel tingling so that, you know that that blood flow, that circulation is working.
Joe is so convinced that red light therapy will help, it's free if you don't lose on your first session. They'll measure you before and after.
We have a you lose or we pay model where it's only $79, and if you do not lose, it's completely free. You'll also get a consultation, so we can sit down and talk about what your past is, what your future goals are, how it worked for you, and what we would recommend based on all of that to prescribe the right sort of program for you.
A bonus, not only is Samantha fitting into her jeans, she's sleeping so much better.
I roll over and that's it. I'm out. And yeah, so my sleep is better, my attitude is great. I have energy all the time, you know, and people look at me and they're like, you like just look so alive.
DFine Wellness in Glastonbury is Joe's way of treating the mind, body, and spirit all at once.
If you put the whole thing together, it's amazing.
Certainly a very happy customer. You can learn more and book your first consultation. Again, totally risk-free. If you don't lose those inches, it's free. You go to the website, DefineWellnessCenter.com, and Joe will have all that. He also wants to let everyone know that he is giving 10% off for Great Day Connecticut viewers, so Great Day CT. And we'll post, he's got a special link, we can also post that, but you can also find more information by DefineWellness.com. Just call him and mention Great Day CT.
Yeah, you know, it's typically Joe doesn't go for these so-called fads, but apparently he really believes in this.
Well, yeah, he still wants you to work out and eat. It's just instead of losing, like, you know, a little bit slowly, it speeds it up.